Alrighty, so today you're gonna need glue, a marker or a crayon, scissors, and some paper. You're gonna start by cutting your paper into small little confetti-sized strips. You can ask an adult for help if you need some, and then you're gonna get some paper and a pen or a marker, and you're gonna draw a flower. It could be a super pretty flower, it could be a simple flower, however you feel you wanna make it. Don't forget to draw your stem and your leaf like so. Looks good, right? Alrighty, next step, you're gonna get your glue and you're gonna outline your marker spots that you just did. And then you're gonna get your strips of paper and you're gonna lay them on top of that glue. You could do a design if you like, you could just drop it freely on there, however you want. All up to you. I'm going to try to stay on my line to work on that skill. And then once you have them all lined up, you're all done. Here's my pretty flower I made. I can fill in a little bit later, but you see I went all the way down my glue with the green. I went a little purple up here and then yellow in the middle. You can do yours any way you like. I cannot wait to see all the different flowers and colors that you guys make. Alrighty, friends, have a good day. Bye. I'll see you at Circle Time on Friday.